to fix login error in Airbnb. First off, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on. And if you have a secure connection, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet while logging in. But if you are still having problems with the login, you want to simply swipe up and navigate yourself to the application. Swipe up and click on Airbnb. Swipe up and navigate yourself to the Airbnb application. Tap and hold on to the application and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache to clear cache. And click on Clear Cache to clear cache. If you want, you can also clear the storage over here. Simply tap on, and if you want, you can also delete your files by clicking on Clear Storage over here. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.